digestion begins in the mouth cavity. In the mouth cavity, food is chewed into small pieces by the teeth and mixed with saliva. The salivary amylase in the saliva helps break down starch into maltose. The food is rolled into a bolus by the tongue and swallowed. The bolus moves along the esophagus and enters the stomach. In the stomach, the gastric glands produce gastric juice that contains pepsin. The pepsin helps break down proteins in the food into peptides. The partly digested food is then released into the small intestine. Food digestion is completed in the small intestine with the help of several digestive juices. They include the bile produced by the liver, the pancreatic juice produced by the pancreas, and the intestinal juice produced by some glands in the wall of the small intestine. Under the action of different enzymes in the digestive juices and on the intestinal wall, disaccharides are broken down into monosaccharides, proteins into peptides or amino acids, lipids into glycerol and fatty acids.